Hi, everybody. It's Tana here from Textdrip. And at Textdrip, we all know how important it is to keep your customers in the loop with timely updates and recurring reminders. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today with our event campaigns. Now, making an event campaign actually starts within the drip campaign. So from here, I'm actually going to select where it says drip campaign. Within the drip campaigns, it's the same exact way that you would actually make a drip campaign. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to select where it says add campaign. We're going to go ahead and put in the campaign name, and then we're going to click on continue. From here, we're going to actually select where it says event messages, and then click on create. Now, once you do that, the same like a drip campaign and the reminder campaigns, you're going to actually see a blank message box appear. This is you're going to go ahead and craft your message. So let's go ahead and put in something simple like happy birthday. I'm going to actually put in happy B-Day. Now, from here, you have all of the same tools that you'll have with making a regular drip campaign, like the AI message generator, spin text, MMS options. You can add emojis, and all of our merge fields are absolutely available to help to personalize this message. You're going to actually choose how often you want this message to go out. Do you want it to be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and the time you should actually send that. So we're going to actually do that here. So the event type, this is actually going to go out yearly. Once we put in yearly, we're going to actually put in the time. You can actually type in the time you would like for it to actually go out. And then you can also select the days. So let's put this on the 2nd. And we're going to have this go out on the 2nd of July. And then we're also going to include when we want this to actually stop going out. So we're going to actually change the year to this. So we're going to actually bump this up to, let's have this go out all the way into 2028 and click on save. Now you just made your very first event campaign. Let's go ahead and go back to the drip campaigns here. You can clearly see within the drip campaigns that you're going to always be able to see in blue. This is going to let you know that this is actually an event campaign. And it's also going to say event here too as well. But let's get into how to actually apply an event campaign to an actual customer. Now we have several different ways to actually apply this. And we're going to actually start within the contacts. So within contacts, we actually have two different ways to apply an event campaign. So let's go ahead and go to contacts. You can either search by here, or you can also just start selecting any of your customers. Once you select your customers, you're going to click to where it says add campaign. And then you're going to actually just go in and select the type of campaign. So we're going to keep this on the event campaign here. We're going to actually select the phone number we want this campaign to come from. Then we're going to click on add to campaign. Once we do that, we have now added that event campaign to these customers. But you can also do it right here too as well. So let's go back to Ned. We're going to actually go here to where it says send message. From send message, we're going to actually go to the bottom and click on add to schedule. From add to schedule, we're actually going to select where it says event. And from here, we're going to go in and select that event campaign. Once again, choose a phone number. And then from here, we're going to click on save to actually add that event campaign to Ned. Another way you can actually add your customers to an event campaign is directly through our inbox. So let's go ahead and go over to the inbox. Once you're in the inbox, find the customer you want to add the event campaign to. Let's use Leah here. You're going to go to the bottom, and once again, you're going to click on that add to schedule icon. And then you're going to do those same exact steps all over again to apply the event campaign to Leah. Last but not least, you can also apply the event campaign right from our scheduled message calendar. Now from here, you're going to click on where it says add schedule. You're going to search for the recipient name. Let's go ahead and search up Leah one more time. And then from here, you're going to select event. Once again, you're going to find the event you would like to send, select a phone number, and then click on save. And then boom, you have now added in that event campaign to that customer. So don't wait. Start scheduling your event messaging today with Textdrip. For more information or details about the event messaging or drip campaigns, check out the rest of the videos in the drip campaign series playlist. You can always book a demo, click on the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com for more information. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks, everybody. Bye.